After a building collapsed on him during an earthquake in Turkey, Christian Atsu is in trouble. According to numerous accounts, Turkey had a significant earthquake earlier today. Christian Atsu has surprisingly been identified as one of those trapped beneath the debris of collapsing buildings. The horrific earthquake that struck Turkey on Monday morning left thousands of people trapped under the wreckage, including Atsu, a player for Hatayspor. Multiple news sources tweeted Monday, Hatayspor forward Christian Atsu and director Taner Savet have been left under the rubble after the earthquake in Turkey. Search and rescue teams are looking them now. Pray for Atsu has been on trending on Twitter. Pray for Christian Atsu. In an illustrious career, Atsu played for Newcastle, Chelsea, and Porto. He scored 12 goals in 65 appearances for Ghana. Early on Monday, 2 earthquakes occurred close to Turkey's border with Syria in the southeast of the country. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the 7.8 magnitude earthquake occurred in the city of Gaziantep at 4:17 local time, 1:17 Greenwich Mean Time, with a depth of 17.9 kilometers, 11 miles. A second earthquake with a magnitude of 7.5 struck the Elbistan district of the Kahramanmaraş province hours later. Pray for Christian Atsu.